वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इटर्नल ब्लेस। कैसे हो आप सब? होप यू आर हेल्दी एंड सेफ। सो आज का वीडियो इज़ अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो एंड इट इज़ अ फेस्टिव लुक आई विल बी डूइंग विद अ रेड लिपस्टिक। सो आई थिंक वी शुड गेट स्टार्टेड राइट अवे। सो सबसे पहले what we will do, we will moisturize our skin and plus we will moisturize the lips as well, so that कि जब हम लिपस्टिक लगाएं तो इट इज़ लाइक आराम से स्मूथली चले जाए. So this is the lip balm which I am using. This is the Laneige lip balm and the variant is berry. If you have seen my Nykaa haul, I have shown this lip balm there. This is very hydrating, guys, and very good for prepping your lips before the like heavy makeup and maybe festive look makeup. तो इसके बाद हम लगाएंगे मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड फॉर मॉइस्चराइज़र आई एम यूजिंग क्लिनिक मॉइस्चर सर्च. दिस ऑल्सो जब से मैंने ये ख़रीदा है आई एम लाइक यूजिंग इट डेली. अमेजिंग मॉइस्चराइज़र है एंड मेकअप के नीचे इट सिट्स वेरी वेल. एंड इसकी सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि आप इसको अंडर आइज़ में भी अच्छे से लगा सकते हो. अंडर आइज़ प्रेप हो जाती हैं अच्छे से, सो दैट जब आप अपने कंसीलर लगाओगे सो इट विल नॉट क्रीज एंड इट विल नॉट मेक योर अंडर आइज़ ड्राई. थोड़ा सा और ले रही हूँ जस्ट टू प्रेप माई अंडर आइज़. यू कैन सी ये मॉइस्चराइज़र अपने आप में ही स्किन को ग्लो कर देता है विदाउट एनी थिंग एंड एक बहुत प्यारा सा शीन आ रहा है स्किन पे एंड इट्स लुकिंग वेरी ग्लोइंग. सो दिस इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर लाइक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ पार्टी डूइंग अ full makeup with foundation and also for festive looks as well. So अब हम now we will put on our concealer first. Okay, so I have little bit darkness around my mouth and the under eyes में my under eyes are not so dark but still हल्का सा I will put concealer. And the concealer I'm using is this LA Girl Pro Concealer and this is the orange corrector. To orange corrector हम use करते हैं when you have darkness under your eyes or anywhere on the face, so आप use कर सकते हो. So I'm just taking little bit. इनर कॉर्नर में आईज में हल्की सी डार्कनेस है, सो आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग देयर. That's it. And now with the beauty blender, the beauty blender I'm using is the drugstore company's beauty blender and I'm using it first time. Let's see how it's like. And guys, don't drag the product, always blend it with the like bumping motions. एंड डोंट वरी, ये हल्का सा ऑरेंजिश जो अगर आपको लग रहा है तो इट विल गो व्हेन वील पुट द कंसीलर. Okay, so we are done blending with this and now we will put our concealer. So the corrector is done, and now we'll put some concealer. So the concealer I'm using is this one. This is the Flower Beauty concealer, and I'm in the shade light medium. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करूँगी, very minimum amount, just to brighten my under eyes. Again, I'll blend this with the beauty blender. बहुत आराम से ये कंसीलर ब्लेंड हो रहा है, वेरी नाइस. I will highly recommend this concealer. सी कितने आराम से ब्लेंड हो गया. So we are done with the concealer. I forgot to put the primer, so let's put some primer as well. So for primer I'm using this Smashbox Minimize Pores Photo Finish Primer. And ये बहुत छोटी सी है ट्यूब, विच आई गॉट, आई थिंक मैंने Smashbox का कुछ ऑर्डर किया था, so I got it free. I have ordered a bigger size as well, and I really like this primer. हल्का सा tinted primer है ये. I will just put on the places like जहाँ pores हैं ज़्यादा, on my nose and little bit on my cheek. So आपको हमेशा प्राइमर को ड्रैग नहीं करना है, ऑलवेज लाइक प्रेस इट. बहुत स्मूथ फिनिश देता है ये. So we are done with the primer. So अब next step, क्योंकि मुझे इस लुक में ड्यूई फिनिश चाहिए, and also my skin is dry, so मैं I'll not use powder on my face. So जो foundation I'll use is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I have heard many good things about this foundation. ये बहुत dewy finish देता है, and it's very good for skin as well. बहुत hydration और hydrated look देता है. So let's see how it goes. So I'll take a very small amount because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा, I'm not a foundation girl. मैं बेसिकली बहुत मिनिमम मेकअप करती हूँ, बट स्टिल आज क्योंकि हम फेस्टिव लुक कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली वील गो एंड यूज़ सम फाउंडेशन. सो आई यूज़, ये पम्प बॉटल है, सो आई यूज़ लिटिल बिट ऑन माई. बहुत ही लिक्विडी फाउंडेशन है, इफ़ यू कैन सी. सो लेट मी अप्लाई इट, एंड आई हैव टेकन, आई थिंक I'll first dot it down on my face. That's it. Not. I think that's enough for me. More than enough, I guess. Let's blend it out. And see how it looks. As you can see, it gives little bit sheen on the face. एंड बहुत स्किन लाइक फिनिश देता है, बहुत हेवी फाउंडेशन नहीं है ये. Yes, definitely you can build it up if you want like more coverage, but for me it's fine. But it's not a full coverage foundation. It'll give you light to medium coverage. So now that we have blended the foundation, also do not forget your neck. Always put, if you are wearing a deep neck or little bit like when your this portion is showing, so always put little bit foundation there also, so that कि वो difference ना लगे neck और face में. Okay, so done with the foundation. Now we will do our eyes. So let me do first my eyebrows. So for eyebrows I'm using this NYX eyebrow pencil, and it's in the shade Espresso. So this is the pencil, and on one side product है, and on the other side there's a spoolie. So first of all what I do, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा dewy like eyebrows पसंद नहीं है, so I'll do it very natural. So I'll first brush my eyebrows with the spoolie, and then I will see कि कहाँ मेरे को थोड़ा कम hair है, so that I can fill them up. So I'll start with like down portion. I always brush them because I don't want those harsh lines to be visible. So that's my eyebrow. I'll be back with the second eyebrow off camera. So I'm done with the eyebrows. बहुत natural किया है मैंने, बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, वो naturally ही बहुत pretty लगता है. So now we'll do our eyeshadow. So what we will do today, क्योंकि we are doing red lip today, तो eyeshadow मैं थोड़ा सा not loud नहीं रखूँगी. So let me show you what I'll do. So this is the eyeshadow palette which I'll be using. This is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'll leave the details of this palette in the description box. The name is Forever Flawless, and if you want to see the colors, they are beautiful colors. Okay, so let's start with the eyeshadow now. I am taking this shade Mars. Okay, this is the shade. Let me show you. This is the shade Mars, and it's like a reddish brown shade. So I'll use this shade first as a transitioning shade. Always dust your eyeshadow because जिससे कि ज़्यादा पिगमेंट नहीं आए. And I'll start with the outer corner and always hold your brush with the like दूर से पकड़ो so that you have the maximum pigment deposit and also बहुत light hand हो जाता है. And also I'm taking this shade on my crease as well. बहुत ही pigmented eyeshadow है ये and super blendable. As you can see, बहुत प्यारा कलर है ये. Okay, so now I'm taking a light brown shade, which is this one, Asteroid. क्या नाम है? And I'll again start with my outer corner and I'll place it on my crease and blend it well. And blend, blend, blend. Blend is the key, guys, so that you don't see the harsh lines. So the same colors I'll be taking on my lower lash line as well. So first this one. I think I'll take different brush. Okay, so I'm taking this flat brush and same color I'm taking for my lower lash line as well, and I'm connecting it with the like upper lash line. As you can see, now again that asteroid color as well I'll take. Okay, so let me do the other eye as well and come back to you. So I'm done with my both eyes, and now for the lid we'll be using a very beautiful color. Let's see कौन सा use करते हैं. We'll use this one. This is the color Harp, and I'll use it with my fingers because finger से it is like बहुत अच्छे से उसका pigment आता है, and not with the brush. So as you can see, this is the beautiful champagne color लग रहा है मुझे. See guys, this is beautiful. एक बार में कलर पे ऑफ बहुत प्यारा है इसका. एंड एज आई सेड कि फिंगर से बहुत प्यारा प्लेसमेंट आता है कलर का. See? It's really good. I really want more so that it pops up. एंड अगेन आपको प्लेस करना है इसको, ड्रैग नहीं करना. एंड आई एम डन. नाउ आई जस्ट क्लीन अप थोड़ा सा so that everything is like all together and blended rather. This is really looking nice. If you feel any harsh lines, you can always blend it out very nicely. So that's our eye look, and I think it's looking beautiful. So now we will obviously complete it with the mascara and everything. So अभी क्या करें? अभी let's put some blush. Okay. So for blush, what I'll do is I'll be using a color from the palette only. क्योंकि मेरे रेड लिप हैं, आई डोंट वॉन्ट दैट मच कलर ऑन माई चीक्स, सो बहुत सटल रखूँगी. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस कलर जुपिटर. Let's see how it, and I'll use it with my beauty blender. So I'll take it little bit and I'll just place it on my cheeks. Oh my god, this is pigmented. See, this is a beautiful color, I must say. See how the color is like बिल्कुल फ्लश्ड पिंक लुक दे रहे हैं कलर. ये कलर बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. एंड टेक केयर, ये बहुत पिगमेंटेड है, तो आई हैव जस्ट यूज्ड अ लिटिल बिट एंड इट गोज अ लॉन्ग वे. आई डोंट लीव माई नोज, वो ऑल टुगेदर लगता है बिल्कुल. So we are done with the blush, and now we'll move on to the mascara. So mascara which I'll be using is beautiful mascara है, and मैंने अपना, I don't like to contour my face, so I have not done that. If you like to do that, you can do it, but I really don't like it. So let's now put mascara. So for mascara, I'm using the Lash Warrior from Flower Beauty. This is the mascara. बहुत प्यारा mascara है ये, and it like makes my lashes bigger. So now let's use the mascara. You can see it makes my lashes so बिगर एंड लेंथ में भी बहुत मस्त लगती हैं. So let me do the second eye and come back. So I'm back with the mascara done, and you can see एकदम eyes open हो जाती हैं इस mascara से, and it looks very beautiful. And I don't like to wear falsies. I've never wore them. सच तो ये है, इसलिए mascara is best for me. So it's looking very nice. And now we have the second last step, which is the highlighter. And I really love this step because I love highlighters. And for highlighter today I'll be using this one. This is the Maybelline Molten collection से है शायद. 1 minute, let me tell you. Sorry, Maybelline Master Chrome. So, and the shade is this one is rose gold. So now let's highlight our face. And I like be very generous with the highlighter, so don't mind me. You can see that I just love highlighter. And this one is very good for like drugstore में. It's a very beautiful highlighter. So we are done with the highlighter. And if you also want to like if I'm wearing like this off shoulder top या आपकी कुर्ती off shoulder है, you can also wear this highlighter like on the body as well. You can see instantly highlight करता है, so बहुत pretty लगेगा. And if you are wearing a deep neck, you can always highlight your collarbones and all. Highlighter is not enough for me. Okay, so now our main thing, like it's the star of this look, is my lip shade. And the lip shade I'll be using today for this look is from Smashbox, and the name is Boss. It's the beautiful red color, and let's see how it looks. So now it's the turn for the lip color. Red lips always looks good. So this is how it's looking, guys. This red color is like little bit red and orangish mix. इसलिए बहुत like deep नहीं बोलूँगी, deep red नहीं, थोड़ा सा brightening red में है. So this is the look which I have created. I hope आपको अच्छी लगी हो ये look. And if you try this look, definitely tell me in the comment section, and also tag me on Instagram. I'll My Instagram details are in the description box, so if you do try it, do tell me please. And that's about for this video. And टेक केयर. एंड जाने से पहले क्या करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है. एंड ऑल्सो कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो दैट what did you like, which product you like the most, and tell me about what all products you have bought from my recommendations. I would like to know that as well. So that's it. I'll meet you in my next video. So bye for now.